Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by importing and positioning the picture. Drag or paste the image into the Figma canvas, then move it over the frame or shape you want to fill. Once placed, make sure the image layer is selected in layers so you can act on it directly. This prevents accidental edits to other elements. If you need to, use Shift plus Drag to keep proportions. This first step gets your image into the right context, essential before masking or replacing. Now focus on making the picture conform to the design. If you want the image inside a shape, place the image layer above the shape and choose Use as Mask. Alternatively, right-click and choose Mask with Shape. Once masked, open the image menu to pick Fill, Fit, Crop, or Tile, Fill Covers, Fit Preserves, Crop Trims. Drag the image inside its mask to reposition, and use Shift to maintain aspect ratio. This gives precise control over. Finish by swapping or exporting the picture cleanly. To replace, right-click the existing image and choose Replace Image, or drag a new file onto the masked area. Figma preserves mask and positioning. Once satisfied, use the Export panel to choose Format and Scale. Make sure resolution is high enough for output. If something goes wrong, check Layer Order, confirm the mask is applied, and verify the source image resolution. These 3 checks solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.